Fall is still here. Not that close to winter, but still the Pleistocene. And now, where are those animals? And what will we learn today? The mammoth, mastodon, and giant ground sloth are here in the bay, in an ocean. But how are they on land? Because during the Ice Age shaped the world in many ways. It allowed people who live in Asia to come to North America for the first time. There was so much water frozen in the glaciers that the oceans were much lower than they are today. People could walk from Alaska to Siberia on dry land. But how do glaciers grow? Glaciers start out as snow. If it's cold enough, not all snow melts after it falls, but it stays on the ground until the next snowfall. The next snow piles up on top of the cold snow. Snow at the bottom pile gets pressed down and turns to ice. As the snow keeps piling up, the ice does too. The ice weighs a lot. Glaciers grow so heavy that they can slide down mountains across the earth. Sometimes water builds up at the very bottom of the glacier. Water underneath the glacier can help it slide even faster. But how do we have any evidence that there's been a glacier during the Ice Age? Our only evidence is rocks that haven't been there before being there. But how does this work? The Ice Age also shaped land. Glaciers cut deep valleys in some places and left high piles of rock in other places. Many of these can still be seen today. Moving glaciers scraped the Great Lakes. The lakes were filled with water as the glaciers melted. And that's how the Great Lakes were formed. So, what did we learn? We learned about the glaciers that were coming up into the north. But this is just only one thing on how the earth was made. But this is another way to learn more about the Ice Age, about the geology. Now, however, there's only two things we need to learn that is left. The people who lived during the Ice Age and what killed the Pleistocene animals. Find out next time on the 2 other, or maybe 3 or more other episodes of Mega Beasts.